Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a dedicated project site, name it clearly and assign owners now. Once done, enable a document library, a project tasks list, and Teams integration so collaboration flows in one place. Make sure to set permissions at the site and library level, restrict editing where needed. You should also add metadata columns for status, priority, and milestone. This upfront structure saves hours later and keeps versioning, alerts, and approvals working predictably for everyone on the team. Next, organize content and tasks so you can find everything fast. Use metadata instead of deep folders where possible, and create custom views for milestones, owners, and overdue items. Once views exist, connect the task list to Planner or Project for timelines and assign tasks directly. Then build Power Automate flows for approvals, status changes, and notifications. This reduces manual follow-up. Make sure to add column validation and template documents to enforce consistency. Finally, launch and actively monitor your project site with dashboards and status pages. Embed Power BI or list web parts for real-time insights. Once launched, schedule weekly reviews of permissions, version history, and flow runs so you catch problems early. If users report missing files or sync errors, check permissions first, then clear cached credentials and resync the OneDrive library. If automations fail, rerun or inspect the flow run history and adjust conditions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.